What's good, y'all? Ceiling Fan Hub here. Today we got this 52-inch unknown ceiling fan. I've never known the name on it. It's I don't know, it's probably from like the 80s or something. But it's got 4 beveled lights, and then there's another one like it, but it's somewhere else in the house, and I'll probably go film that one later too. Top has cane blades. Let me turn the light on real quick. Top of it, I never knew who made this fan or anything. So if anyone knows anything about these kinds of fans, go ahead and let me know in the comments. Okay, I'll start with low. 1 second. All right, we good now? So we'll start to kick the fan up to low. There's some top. Medium. And it does wobble pretty bad on high. And apparently it buzzes too. I didn't know that. All right, and hold on. All right, now for high. What? That wasn't part of the script.